So if you want to learn SolidWorks, or you already learning SolidWorks, but you don't improve as fast as you want, that means that you are missing some fundamentals and also you are not following a structured path. That's why over the 5 last years, I enrolled over 50,000 students to my SolidWorks courses through different e-learning platforms and help a lot of them to start learning SolidWorks, to become professional, to start career, to pass SolidWorks certification exams. And one of my best-selling course, SolidWorks Launchpad, is that helped most of the people. So in this video, I'm gonna just break down what's inside of the SolidWorks Launchpad and how it can help you. Right now, the SolidWorks Launchpad is on the discount and you can check it on the link below, but I want to break down what it is and what's inside and how it can help you. So SolidWorks Launchpad, that's a course that's covering three parts: part design, assembly design, and drawing documentation. So you're going to learn all of the tools related to these three topics. But the structure that we use is what makes everything different. Okay, so we use three-step approach. First, we teach you all the important tools that you need to know. The second, we show you these tools on the examples. So we together, through recorded lessons, go through the examples, show you when to implement these tools, how to implement these tools, and why we implement certain tool. And then the third part are exercises and projects. And this is where you work by yourself. You're trying to create some part, assembly, or a drawing from beginner level, intermediate to advanced level. So this way you know the tools, but also the most importantly, you know when to use tools, how to use these tools, what tools to use first, in what sequence to use these tools when you are building something from the real world. Because that is the difference between someone who knows the tools and someone who can implement these tools and build something real. And that's what a SolidWorks Launchpad is about. It takes you from beginner level all the way through intermediate level to the advanced level, so you become ready for the professional tasks, whether you want to go into freelancing or you want to get a CAD job. So that's what this course is about. Those are recorded lessons, so you can watch them anytime you want. You can watch them on your own pace, and you get a lifetime access to this. And also, if you have any questions, you can always reach out to me with a question. I'll be back to you as soon as possible. So if you want to learn SolidWorks without struggling, without wasting your time, and you want to get to the professional level, so you can think like a designer and you can design like a professional and you can compete for the high paying jobs, then you can click the link below and you can check SolidWorks Launchpad.